this is times 2.
Yes.
So, plus 2. Alfred, could it listen or I will write na bigger?
Sana ma'am
It's
sa board
fine,
na
Doc.
lang.
Huh?
Let's find out.
Okay. So, this one is negative 2 times 7, negative 14. Si oxygen. Okay. So, negative 14 minus 2, disregard this sign. 14 minus 2 is 10. 12. 14 minus 2 is
Negative 12, diba?
disregard this sign.
Okay.
So, 14 that is 12. Divided by 2.
12 divided by 2, 6.
Okay. So, you write positive 6.
Para mag-balance
Because
siya
we knew
within
this
this.
is 6 times 2 equals 12. Plus 2, so 12. So, 12 plus 2 is 14. So, positive 14, negative 14.
That's
Yes,
balance.
balance.
Okay. We're done with that.
Then the next, chlorine is always negative 1 when it is used as an ions. So, negative 1 times 2, negative 2. So, automatic, this is positive 2 to make it 0.
Yes.
The next is negative 1. So, this is positive 1.
One.
So, 0. Next, positive 1. Chlorine is negative 1. So, they're positive 1. Then, here, chlorine is negative 1 times 3, negative 3. So, therefore, chromium Cr is
Negative. Positive 3.
positive 3. Next, this is negative 1 times 4, negative
4.
4. So, therefore, that
That's
is positive
positive
4. Then, this is negative
Negative
2, positive 2.
2.
Okay. So, what is changed? From here to here.
Because
Okay.
this is
Positive
0.
3
Ay, positive 3.
and positive 6.
Okay.
So, you connect. O, next. What
What
else?
was changed?
You have
SN.
SN.
Positive 2 here, negative 4
Okay.
here.
Okay. So,
So you
from-
easily identify, ma'am. But with us, since we're new with this kind of things, we have to do it one by one.
Yes.
The potassium.
The potassium is positive 1, still positive 1.
How did you say that's positive 1?
Yes. Do not include the subscript.
Okay.
Okay. So, this is positive 1, positive 1. The next is CR. Okay, nag-change. The next is oxygen is always negative 2. Oxygen is negative
only
2.
one.
So, disregard the subscript.
Okay.
Then is N. Positive 2,
That's
positive 4.
That was changed.
Yes. Chlorine, negative 1. It is negative 1, negative 1, negative 1.
So it's balanced.
Yes.
It's not changed.
Uh-huh.
So is hydrogen.
Hydrogen. This is positive 1 times 2. Lima.
The 2.
Okay.
Cool. Alright.
So, from positive
6.
6 to
Positive
positive
3.
3.
So that
What?
was reduced.
Yes. So, when it is reduced,
It
LEORA.
is gaining.
gaining.
Geroa.
Okay.
Geroa.
So, how many electrons
3.
reduced? Okay. There are 3 electrons gained.
Okay.
3 electrons gained.
Now, take note that here has no subscript. There is subscript here too.
Yes.
So, you multiply this by 2. So, therefore, there are 6 electrons gained.
Gain. Okay.
Okay. Next, Sn is from positive 2 to positive 4.
4.
Okay. So,
That's
lost.
lost.
Okay. So, how many electrons lost?
2 lost.
Okay. So, the 2 electrons lost.
And there's no subscript, so leave it
Okay.
like that.
Yes. So, look for a multiplier. So, this
That
is
will-
multiplied by 1. This one is
3.
by 3. Okay.
So it's balanced.
No. No. So, this is the multiplier. The multipliers become the coefficient. Okay. So, you write here 3. Here, you write 3. Okay. Then you write also here
3.
3.
Okay.
So you need not to write 1. Okay?
Yes,
But
it's understood.
chromium here is 2. Here is 1. So what will you do? You write 2
Okay.
when you balance now. Okay. So understood again. 1. So 1. But there are 2. So you write 2 here. Okay. Then the next you have to balance. Potassium is 2. So you write
2.
2. Chromium now is 2. So 2 balance.
Balance.
Chlorine is 3 times 2 equals
6.
6. Here, 3 times 2.
6.
Okay,
Balance.
so chlorine, here in this is 6. Here is 6. No. So chlorine is, you have plus 2 plus 6 plus 12. Can you follow?
Second, ma'am.
Okay.
Repeat.
2
Times
times 3
3
is
is
6. Chlorine here, there is 2
Times
plus 2. Okay. Then here, 3 times 4,
12.
12. So you add.
So that's 14
14.
plus 6, 20.
Okay. So we have here 6. So
3 times 2.
6. How much chlorine will be remaining? 6. So this 20. 20 minus 6.
Kailangan ko ng 14.
Okay. So you write 14.
Okay.
Ay. So then the next, we balance chlorine. Next 4 is hydrogen is 14. So only 2. So you have to multiply by 7. 7 times 2 equals 14. Hydrogen is 14.
So it's balanced.
Okay, so it is balanced.
And then we're gonna find out which one is the element oxidized,
Yes.
element
So
reduced,
the element oxidized, element
reduced,
OA, RA,
overacting,
reduction, reaction, oxidation,
reaction.
reaction.
From what I understand in element oxidized,
Okay, so you have from the word LEORA,
element
J,
oxidized,
Ro, Wa. Okay, element oxidized from the L. So it
SN.
is SN. ER.
that's CR.
Okay. Then RA sa LEORA. So always get at the reactants.
Okay.
The whole compound. So that is
Cl.
SnCl2. Then you have the OA.
Overacting.
So you get this one. That is K2Cr2O7.
RA is reactant agent,
Reducing
Reducing
agent.
and the basis for that is from
This
Geroa.
one.
So
Because it's
reducing agent,
Next.
reduction reaction.
So you get the one.
So that is
This one. No? So that is
K2
K2
CR2
CR2O7. 2, what happened?
this.
CrCl3. Okay.
Ma'am, should we put the 2 also?
No need to do the balancing. Or you can. As long as it is.
Basta makakuha yung tama sila.
Yes.
Oxidation reaction is based here.
Oh, yes.
So that would be this.
SN. No, this
Ay.
one. N.
SnCl2 to 3SnCl4.
Yes.
The basis for oxidation reduction is LEORA.
LEORA. Okay. So after EO, so you have ER. Then you have OA, RA. Then for the reaction, you get the middle. O and R.
Okay, cool. Ma'am, since you answered that